Going on, everyone? So, we got a new toy. Well, might not be a toy to everyone, but our lawnmower battery died, so we needed a new battery. So, as any respectful man would do, they just bought a new lawnmower. All right, so let's crack this open, put it together, and cut some grass. All right. Let's get this box cut open. Should be a pretty simple assembly. And of course, it starts raining. So, excuse me. We gotta do this quick. Alright, so what we're gonna do first is grab the battery and get it charged, and then we'll assemble everything, and we'll go through what's in the box. Alright, so first up, charger. That out of the way. And what I'm assuming in here is the battery. All right, 6 amp hour, 40 volt, lithium. Dead, of course. So, gonna go get this charged up, and then we'll get into everything else that's in here. All right, so the battery's on charge. Let's get this stuff out. So we got the side chute, if you're gonna use the mulch feature, the mulch adapter. So this goes in the back if you're going to be doing some mulch. Frame for the bag itself, and trying to rush through this because I'm feeling raindrops as we're talking here. Cardboard out of the way, and the mower itself. So, pretty light. All right, so got that out of the way. Here's the mower. And setup should be pretty easy. Just pop these stoppers out. This back. Snap them back in. Get this plastic off. Instructions. Key. So this is inside. This key just pops in where the battery goes. So that's it. This is the self-propelled model, so it's got the triggers here to propel it forward. Yeah. So this is it. Probably one of the easiest assemblies ever had for a lawnmower. This is the Ryobi 40 volts brushless self-propelled 20-inch. So here's the chute, and the adapter would go on it that I showed you earlier. Well, the adapter goes in the back here. So you put in the mulch adapter back there. Battery goes in here. Here's a close-up of the key that I was talking about. So this key just goes in here. It allows you to run it. So that is it. Really straightforward to put together. Actually, nothing to put together, which is awesome. Just snap these little things into place, of course. And then you have the one adjustment handle that adjusts the depth of the cut. All right, so now let's get the bag put together. Should be pretty easy. So here's the bag frame. Hold on. Let's fold this back up, pop these back in place. Perfect. And then we'll flip it on its butt. And we will just set this over here for the time being. All right. So let's get the bag together. So let's put the frame on the table there. Set you down over here. Should be good. I think, anyway. All right. So this should go over top, probably. So we're gonna bend these up somehow. There we go. Pop that one on, pop that one on, get these side ones on. So you're just wrapping these side things over the metal frame. Corner piece there. Jump back over here. Side one. And last but not least, the bottom one. There we go. Bag completed. And then of course this just hooks on the back with these little hooks there. And of course, this one popped off a bit, so let me just finish this up. There we go. So that's it for that. So hopefully the weather cooperates here. I don't know if you can see that. Gray, cloudy. Looks like it's about to rain. Yeah, pool update. It's clear. Had a couple dips in there. Got some leaves that have now sunk to the bottom. But we are clear and swimming. Yeah. So now we just gotta wait for the battery to charge, and then we'll cut some grass. Give it a quick go, see how it works. Hopefully it's pretty good. Picked it up at Home Depot. It was $400 and something plus tax, so it was just over $570 something. once we throw the tacks on there. Hopefully it works out good. If not, oh well. Well, at least we'll cut the grass. Like, I was out there with, what do they call those? The giant scissors, hedge clippers. Yeah, wasn't fun. Wasn't cutting the grass with those. I was just getting rid of some weeds along the side of the driveway. Imagine that, cutting grass with those things. Yeah, no. And that's how far we got with the trim. Still got door piece to do, and then the side pieces got a little sidetracked. And then we get the siding on, and that'll be wrapped up. So once the battery is charged, we'll be cutting grass. Battery's all charged up. Now we'll give it a test and cut the grass. So this is what we're dealing with here. Let's have a look at the grass. It's been sitting for quite a while. As I mentioned, the battery on the old lawnmower died. It's looking pretty rough. So there's the before. This is the part I was talking about where I tried to trim with the hedge trimmers or clippers, whatever they're called, giant ass scissors. All right, so I'm gonna try and beat the rain that looks like it's coming. Yeah, so let's get to it. So there's the first pass. Make sure we're not scalping anything. Got it on level 2. Yeah, so that should be good. So let's get it cut, and then we'll be back with you. So, got one bag down. Use my hipster mulch, and I just put it between our houses here. Yeah, so let's get this dumped out and then show you the results so far, and then we'll get back to cutting. Again, trying to beat the storm, so I'll do this quick as I can. All right, bag emptied. Let's get back at it. And actually, let me show you the results so far. Pretty good. Decent, actually. First pass with the new mower. I'm just got to finish here. I had to pick up some stuff that was hidden in the grass there, so I haven't done that patch yet. So far, so good. So, see you once it's all done, and then give you my opinion about it. All right, see you in a bit. Alright, so grass cut. Overall impressions, pretty good. I mean, it's a lawnmower after all, like, cuts the grass. Like the dandelion stuff, like it still leaves a few behind, which is not the greatest. See if you can pick it up here. So like the little thin type weeds, so sometimes you do have to go over it afterwards. Another quick pass to catch those. And it is starting to rain. Don't know if you can hear the thunder, so finished just in time. So yeah, here's what it looks like overall. Overall, pretty good. Didn't scalp any. Did stall out a bit in the thicker grass, which I was a little surprised. Didn't think it would, but no biggie. And this is where the bag got a little full, so it was spitting out the grass. Does a decent job of collecting it. The self-propelled aspect, never used a self-propelled mower before. Does take a bit of getting used to, but overall pretty good. Starts up pretty quiet. So the Ryobi 40 volt brushless, recommended. That's it for today. I know, another boring one. So, got to get inside before the rain comes. Yeah, it's okay. Rain's good for you, I guess. Good for the grass. All right. So, again, thanks for stopping in. Again, Ryobi 40 volt, 20-inch brushless self-propelled mower. Thumbs up, approved, recommended. Got it at Home Depot. Yeah, just go get yourself one. It's pretty good. All right, thanks for stopping in, spending your time with me. Always appreciated. Remember, be kind, take care. See you on the next one. Bye now.